Hello everyone, welcome back. Next exercise in the basic algorithm scripting series is named Chunky Monkey. In this task, we have to write a function that splits an array, that is first argument in this case, into groups of length of size, that is second argument, and returns them as a two-dimensional array. In that case, we will create a new array. Let new array equal to empty bracket. It will create a new array for let I equal to 0, I less than arr dot length, I plus equal to size. It will keep adding till we have all transferred all the array. Okay, now we will need to push whatever we elements we slice off, and we will use array dot slice from ith position to I plus size. This looks good, and in the last we will return new array. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.